Wrecked.
We are at Sky High right now, and we are going to be racing our RC cars along the side. Then we're going to come back down. What? There's still some snow, so I'm going to go try sledding.
Go!
Oh, that hurt! Oh my gosh! Oh.
Into the mud. Okay, here goes Erin. Erin, slow yourself down.
Oh my gosh, it's just...
This is like 2 weeks ago we were sledding. Now it's kind of icy and we're going to the top of the mountain. We're gonna race our Traxxas RC cars down.
I gave up.
It's gonna be awesome. They're gonna race down the side of the mountain.
Well, we're racing?
Yeah, you're racing. See who gets down to the side of the mountain.
Oh my gosh!
Okay. You guys ready?
Dad, let me get mine up.
The dog's messing with the cars.
Dad, I did it a little forward and she started taking me down.
Okay. Try your best. Ready? Set. Go.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, Stampede's a winner! Mud boggin. Oh, Stampede, can they make it? Oh, they can't get up the hill. Fun in the mud.
This is how we exercise our dog.
And she's lost interest.
Here's our trusty Dare Bronco. Bailey wouldn't let me get in her car because my shoes are too muddy.